Once you log into your MyBell account, you see MyBell. Once you click here, My Bills, you see here payment options. Since I have already signed up for pre-authorization payment, it shows up like this. Otherwise, you will click here Manage Pre-authorization Payment. This is where you have this option, bank account. Fill in your bank account detail automatically, where you sign in using the Intrac. Once you click here, you select the bank account, and once you set up, you will be able to do the pre-authorized payment. You can also enter the bank account detail manually. Once you click here, you see bank, account holder's name, transit number, account number, all of this you would require from your bank site, which you will input in here. The third option is credit card. Once you come here, you can enter the credit card information here, and then once you go and set it up, every time the bill gets generated, it will be automatically deducted. You can also cancel the pre-authorization payment by clicking here and going forward with the step. To set up through bank, once you click here, Interac verification service, you sign in, accept the user agreement, share information, and complete. So just like any other place, you'll go select your bank, whichever bank it is, enter your credentials for the bank, and then give access to get this integration done. Once it is done, it's all good. Like this, terms and condition and privacy notice. After reading, click I agree. I agree. Confirm and submit. Pre-authorization payment have been updated and will begin on your next billing cycle.